Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy public transport tickets in Vienna. You can easily purchase tickets from Wiener Linien machines found at every station, offering a straightforward process. Alternatively, the Wien mobile app provides a convenient digital option right on your smartphone. For those preferring physical locations, numerous tobacco shops, called Trafiken, sell tickets across the city. Don't forget to explore the Vienna City Card for combined travel and attraction benefits. Vienna offers various ticket options to suit your travel needs. A single ticket covers one continuous journey in one direction. For more extensive travel, consider passes valid for 24, 48, or 72 hours, providing unlimited rides within their duration. If you're staying longer, weekly passes are valid from Monday to Sunday, while monthly passes offer 31 days of unlimited public transport access. Choose the best option for your visit. You have several convenient options for purchasing your tickets. Wiener Linien ticket machines, located at all stations, accept both cash and major credit or debit cards. For a digital experience, the Wien mobile app allows secure purchases directly from your smartphone, anytime and anywhere. Additionally, many tobacco shops or Trafiken throughout Vienna sell a wide range of tickets and accommodate various payment methods. Online shops also offer pre-purchase for certain ticket types. Before you begin your journey, remember to always validate your ticket. This crucial step prevents potential fines, which can be quite substantial, often exceeding €100. Good news for families. Children under 6 years old travel completely free on all public transport services. Also, be aware that senior citizens and students might be eligible for reduced fares, so it's worth checking for these special rates to save some money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.